All right, so just stopped by Chick-fil-A for a quick bite to eat. Then after that, we're gonna head to the Apple store so I can get the M3 Pro MacBook Pro 14. I'm gonna trade in my M1 MacBook Pro 13-inch so I can kind of get some credit towards the new one. So see you there. You guys can see that, but the traffic is pretty bad. So hopefully it doesn't, take us too long to get to the Apple store. I think it should be about like a 20-minute drive over there. So see you guys there. Alright, so just got my new MacBook Pro, 14-inch M3 Pro. About to head home and then set it all up. And I guess just keep on creating content, using it for school and stuff. I'm pretty excited. It seems like a decent upgrade from my regular M1, even though the regular M1 was a pretty good laptop, but this should be a powerhouse in terms of creating content and stuff, so I'm pretty excited. Alright guys, as you can see, I just made it back from the Apple store and got the MacBook. So yesterday I just made the decision to trade in my M1 MacBook Pro 13-inch for this M3 Pro MacBook Pro 14-inch. I'm getting a little bit more into content creation and also a little bit deeper into my computer science classes. So gonna need a lot more RAM and storage than the base model M1 that I had, which only had 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. So I just pulled the plug yesterday, decided to get this. I know M4 series is right around the corner, but I kind of needed something a little bit sooner rather than later, and also I didn't want to risk the trade-in value of my M1 going down right before or right after M4 came out. So I just pulled the plug, got the M3 Pro, and let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it's all about. Go ahead and take this paper cover off. know a lot of people go crazy about the fingerprints on this thing, but to be honest, I don't really care. It's a part of getting the space black, so no big deal to me. First boot up, go ahead and take this off. Already I can tell the display on this is much better than the M1 MacBook Pro that I had before. Alright, so I just got done setting up my Mac, and I just realized that I actually got a $150 gift card from the Apple Store. They were running an educational promotion like they do basically every year. So I got the trade-in value of my M1 Pro, or M1 MacBook Pro, which brought the price of this laptop down, which was already discounted. And then I got this $150 gift card that I can use at the Apple Store as well. So there's a couple items I'm trying to see if they will stock in the Apple Store, because there's not really anything that I'm interested in now. I'm gonna go ahead and finish setting everything up. I'll make another video of all the apps that I install on my Mac to stay productive and be productive, to help me do my schoolwork and also to create content. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys later.